What if I told you, by 2030, millions of jobs will disappear? Not because of war, not because of crisis, but because of artificial intelligence. Your job might be on this list. We are living in the fastest technological revolution in human history. AI is not coming, it's already here. From chatbots writing content to robots performing surgeries, the world is changing faster than most people realize. Data entry and admin jobs. AI can fill forms, manage emails, schedule meetings, and process documents. Companies prefer AI because it never takes holidays, never makes mistakes, and costs less. By 2030, repetitive office jobs will shrink dramatically. Customer support. Chatbots are getting smarter every day. They can answer questions, handle complaints, work 24/7, and speak multiple languages. Humans are expensive. AI is scalable. This industry will change forever. Content creation. Even content creators are not safe. AI can write scripts, generate images, create videos, and clone voices. Only creative and strategic creators will survive. Average creators will struggle. Drivers. Self-driving technology is improving rapidly. Taxi drivers, truck drivers, and delivery drivers will face serious competition from autonomous vehicles. Future jobs. AI will also create new jobs: AI specialists, prompt engineers, digital strategists, tech consultants, and human AI collaborators. Learn AI now and become valuable. Ending. By 2030, the richest people won't be those who work harder. They will be those who understand technology earlier. The question is, will you evolve before AI does? The future is being programmed, and you still have time.